Alright, good morning and welcome to episode 3 of Penny Learns to 3D Print. I'm sorry that I didn't get this posted yesterday at 4 p.m. as I usually do, but the past few days have been hectic. I'm sure you can understand that. Sorry for the noise in the background. I have my 3D printers are working. Last week we learned how to import or paste an image into Inkscape and turn it into an SVG to use in Tinkercad. This week we're importing the two files we made into Tinkercad, setting up for a STL tray and file and exporting them. All right, to start with, we're going to open Tinkercad. Here it is. From here, we're going to click on Create 3D Design. All right, when the file opens, we're going to click on Import, choose a file, which you should already have that. I'm going to my Downloads. Put my Hello Kitty outside, and we'll go Upload, click on Art, and Import. Wait, up there it is. Right now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to import the inside of Hello Kitty, click Art, Import. I'm going to wait for them. Okay, there we go. Now there she is. I like to scroll up there so I can see her. I typically make that design 7 by 7, so I'm going to click here, the little square in the corner. I'll do 7, enter. Move her up a little bit so I can see the downtown part. 7, enter. Whoops. Move back up there. Nope. For some reason that didn't do what I wanted it to. Oh, good grief. What are we doing? Let's not do that. Click. Alright, 7, and then we want 7 here. There we go, finally. Alright, I usually center it. Now I'm going to take the center part out and move her off to the right. I'm going to take the outline, move it to the left. I'm going to duplicate the outline, bring her back to the work plane. We'll take our quality all the way up. We'll go click on File Mode, Silhouette. We'll fill it all in. Hopefully, there we go. Now we'll turn it up like this, and we are going to push it down to 1/8. Now, we'll go back over here to the original. We'll go to Quality, Fill Line, and we'll do an outer line. There we go. We're also going to turn that around, but we're going to bring it up to 1 inch. Bring it back over here. Set it on top of the silhouette. We'll highlight both of them. Up here to Align. Align it. Align it. Good to go. Select them both again. Group them. There we go. See, it's all nice and grouped. Now I'm going to change that color because I don't like it. Make it black. See? There we go. Nice and neat. Now we're going to take the inside portion, bring the quality all the way up. We'll change that to white just because I'm going to push her down to a 1/8 of an inch and bring her up and over to the object here. We're going to select all. We're going to align again. There we go. Now, here's what I like to do to make sure that I'm getting her where I need her to be. I'm going to select that. I'm going to make it into a hole so I can see where the bottom is. Okay. Now we'll click on it. Push it all the way down till it sits right on top. And we'll turn that back into a solid. And as you can see, we now have our STL file, and we are going to highlight all of it, export. See, this is only the selected 2 shapes, STL. Alright, so now it's saved and ready for the next time. Alright, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Next week we'll open the file in Bamboo Studio. We're going to paint it and save it as a generic 3MF file. If you have any questions or comments, please post it in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Have a great week.